Welcome into Chukwu Amika Kitchen. Today we're putting together a recipe for chicken and dumplings. This is a southern dish that it's been quite a while that I had it. So had a taste for it today and decided that I will go ahead and make it. As usual, all of the ingredients that I'm using will be listed in the description box for you. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. Now I'm using bone-in chicken thighs and I'm going to go ahead and season them up. I'm leaving all of the skin on because that's mainly what I'm going to be using for my chicken broth. I'm first going to sear my chicken on both sides. While my chicken is searing, I'll go ahead and prepare my dumplings. Adding a little bit of flour to it to go ahead and knead it while it's in the bowl. Now, I prefer to have my dumplings pretty thin, but you can, of course, roll it to your desired thickness. And I'm simply going to go ahead and cut them out. All right, my chicken is ready to come out of the pan. And I'm now going to go ahead and add in my garlic and saute my veggies. All of this caramelized flavor that is on the bottom of the pot, you definitely want to scrape that because this is mainly going to flavor your dumplings. I've returned my chicken back to the pot, added in my celery, my bay leaves, and my chicken bouillon, and I'm going to bring this to a rolling boil. After 30 minutes, I'm removing my chicken and my celery leaves. I have some heavy cream and butter here that's going to help with the thickening of my dumplings. I let my butter brown a little bit more than I wanted, but we're going to roll with it. I'm removing my chicken from the bone and then I'm going to cut it up into pieces before adding it back to the pot. Alrighty, so everything is going to go back into the pot now and I'm going to bring it to a rolling boil. Dropping my dumplings one by one. We're going to let them go for a minute. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my parsley and let it cook down until it starts to thicken. Now I did want to point out, guys, that I made this dish by taste. So before I added in my dumplings, I did taste my base to make sure that it was seasoned really well the way that I wanted it to be. And then I added in my dumplings. And this is our end result. Reminds me so much of home. I hope you have enjoyed hanging out with me today. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if you try it and how it turns out for you. Until next time, Yah willing, shalom.